Jing'an.
Go check out the room.
Jing'an.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, watching a couple that are kind of arguing over there. Either arguing or talking. So, yeah. I don't know which one they're doing. So we're gonna walk down this way and we're gonna kind of go left into the French Concession. There's a bank, it's a nice traditional wallfront. Some housing behind the gate. So a lot of stuff will have different things recognized for it. You can see here. Another community, same, exactly the same as the other one that I just saw, that I just shared. We're gonna cross the street and then straight ahead is another one. So there's another street that's kind of similar. Yeah, really pretty area. So this is kind of on the, I think this might be the French Concession itself, or it's right on the edge of it. But basically I'll just explain what that is. So a long time ago Shanghai was basically divided up, and the French got this whole quarter, and they were able to build their houses so in kind of their own little way. So this is basically what you're seeing right now. That's how they designed it. And my buddy was telling me, like, this might be more the periphery part. He was telling me that the French themselves kind of built these really big, elaborate mansion-looking like houses. So I don't know. I don't know if we'll see that exactly, or if we'll. Okay. So I'm on another road called. I'll show you in a minute. But basically, I kind of back. I was over this other place, maybe about a 5 or 10 minute walk, and this is kind of on the French Concession area. So we're just gonna, and you can see it's really leafy, these beautiful trees, which I think is maybe part of what makes it memorable like that. So we got a green light. Try to cross over these roads, and I think my buddy was basically telling me that there's a lot of big, large mansions, and I think that this is one right here beyond this thing. We're gonna be walking along it, and yeah, it looks like the mansions kind of cover up with all this ivy and make it pretty thick. And then on the other side you have, for cookie lovers, okay, you have some shops, some stores, and I guess that these all would have been single homes, maybe. Maybe somebody who watches this video can let me know. And it looks like we're gonna be walking down the street for a while, and I guess this is what, yeah, this is French concessionary stuff. This must be some of the mansion stuff they're talking about, and if so, it's pretty blocked off. Okay, yeah, okay, that's what it would look like. So we're gonna keep on walking. I guess you can see more here too. So yeah, one big mansion, and it's funny. I saw that also in Xiamen. I saw some big houses over by university area with these big yards. So this would have been maybe more old style, wealthy, rich French people would have a house in Shanghai and kind of build it like that. Amazing though. And now we're gonna come up on a security guy. I'm gonna guess this is also a mansion too. So I guess it's some kind of embassy, or it's China Sports Lottery. I don't know, they have a security guard, so I'm not gonna film it. Deliveries. There's some more lane houses, kind of similar to the other spot. So, okay. And I don't know what these are. They look like these were more made later. They have more of a Chinese design. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm in the French concessionary area, so maybe I'll just label it as such. and then most likely people can tell me I should have walked down this street or that street. But yeah, it's pretty leafy and breezy and comfortable. And these trees absorb all the pollution. If these trees weren't here, this whole street would look completely different. So it's amazing what a good tree can do. Oh, New York pizza. Okay, I walked by this before. That's funny. I don't know if you remember my videos from a few days ago, but I was trying to find that place. And but anyways, my buddy recommended that I walk into the French concessionary area. So maybe I did do that. So maybe I'll just label that video as that, I guess. Le vin, vin. That's French wine. That's funny. Okay, so we're just gonna keep going straight and go to the station, I guess. Okay, the Thai shop, best Southeast Asian, and right here is a French cafe of vins, cafe wine cafe, and let me just see. Okay, the Rain beauty station. So we're definitely in the French area. Happy hour cocktails, nail and massage. Okay, eyelash. Chinese food. All right. Okay. I got a red booth here. Looks like another Lane house. Lane. These booths are kind of everywhere. Kind of an old style, so the telephone, I wonder if they're used at all anymore. Okay, so this is all part of the French concessionaire as well. Yep, French concessionaire and lane houses, okay. We keep on exploring, see what else we can find. The Shanghai Royal Mansion, so mansion, eh? Started to know how that word is used. That almost is like more like a hotel. Sometimes mansions are used for hotels too, so that looks like more of a hotel. That looks more like kind of French housing that they would have had a long time ago. So you have this big courtyard, beautiful house. So that's seems to me like that would be very symbolic of and plus this kind of cool looking fence and everything like that. So I think this is kind of a representation of some of the big houses that they would have had a long time ago in the French concessionaire. There's another one over there too, that gray one on the corner. So things are kind of mixed in, right? So I think this one probably would be later, but that gray house would be an old French house. Looks like this street would have a few of them on it. A lot of bikes are on the sidewalk in this particular spot. Okay. So yeah, actually I think these would also be examples of the bigger house, I believe, as well. Should look a little bit French stylish. All right, here's another one too, this gray one. That's pretty cool. Okay, now I kind of know. Looks like there's a kind of a outdoor patio with a rooftop kind of thing. Could also be some lane homes down there, and you could have that same home and also do a business here. Looks like it's in the same place. Entrance to it. All right. So giving a good view of Shanghai. And in a minute, I'm going to get on a train and go to a whole other area. So, okay. Got nice leafy streets. Here's where we are, we're right there. Oh. There's a Shanghai tour bus. I should probably do one of those. Cafe Bistro. Okay. So we're gonna jump on the train and go to another part of the city. But yeah, this is all, I'm just gonna label it as French concessionaire. There's other houses too. So they kind of have that look right there like that. Pretty cool. And some of the French fence as well. Okay.